Join me today while I take some glass ornaments that I purchased from Hobby Lobby and I'm turning it into some vintage Santa ornaments for my tree. Right now I'm just taking a antique white color paint and painting my clear glass ornament. As you see right there, I took the top off and I stuck something in the middle of the ornament just so I can hold it better while I apply the paint. Now I'm taking a vintage inspired decoupage paper by Decoupage Queen, and I'm just tearing the edges off so it doesn't have a straight cut. It's more vintagey looking on the edges, like it's old, like it's been there forever. Now I'm just taking my favorite decoupage medium, Paint Couture decoupage medium in matte, and I'm putting a coat on the glass Christmas ornament. Now I'm applying my vintage Santa. Look how cute he's looking on there. Now I'm just applying him with a brush and making sure all the ends are down with the decoupage medium. Isn't he cute? Now I'm just taking some of my dryer and making sure it's dry. Now I'm just taking some archival ink in the color Ground Espresso because I want this ornament to look vintage, so it's got to look old. So I need to add a little bit of antiquing around the edges. So you just take your dauber and you just go around your ornament, and with this Ground Espresso, it's giving it more of an aged look, which I am going for. So you just take it around with your dauber, just like so, and age all around where you think it would look great. Now I'm just taking some more decoupage medium because now we have to make Santa sparkle. So I'm putting the decoupage medium down, and we are going to be using a product called Diamond Dust. And we are going to make this Santa sparkle. Now I take my Diamond Dust and I put it in a cheese shaker. For me, it's just easier to pour when I use the project. Look at that. Look at Santa. He's all sparkly now. All right, so now I'm putting a little bit on the back too. This ornament's got a sparkle from both sides. So after I put my Diamond Dust on, we're going to add just a little bit of more detailing on there. Look at this pretty ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It has little teeny tiny rosettes on there. So I'm just taking my glue gun, just like so, and I'm applying the ribbon all just around the edges, just like so. And then I'm going to take, after the ribbon, I'm going to take just a little teeny piece of lace, and I'm going to add a little bow just to the top. Now I'm just putting my top back in real quick, just like so. And now I'm going to add the little bow right on top just to give it a little finishing touches. Take it with the glue gun and put the bow on there. And this is going to be so pretty on my Christmas tree. My little sparkly vintage Santa ornament. Thanks for joining me.